Okay, we're asking for volume in each of these, and these are both prisms because they both have two bases that are congruent to each other. In this case, the bases will be the pentagons, one in front and one in back. And for this prism, the bases will be the rectangles. We could say the one on the bottom and the one on the top. All right, the volume of prisms require that we know the area of a base. So what's the area of this rectangle? And we just multiply that area by the height. So the rectangular base area is base times height, 1.5 times 2.1. That's the area of the base. And then we multiply it by 3.6, and that will be our volume. So the volume is 11.34, and this is volume, so these are cubic units, cubic meters. All right. Number 20 will be a little more work. Why? Because the area of the base, B, well, that's the area of a pentagon. Remember, the height of a prism is the distance from one base to the other base. So from this red base to that red base was 3.6. That was our height. From this red base to this purple base is 4 yards. That's our height. So how do we find the area of the base, the area of this pentagon? We're going to have to use some trigonometry from past units. Let's find the area of one triangle, and since there's 5 sides, the area of this base, which is what capital B stands for, will be 5 times the area of this one triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. Well, the base of this one triangle is 2, and the height is the distance to the vertex, straight down, perpendicular to the base. All right, how are we going to find that? We're going to have to use trigonometry. We know that if we focus on half of this triangle, then instead of 2 yards, this will just be 1 yard. We can't just use Pythagoras' theorem because to find h, we need to know the other 2 sides. We don't know this side, so we're going to have to use trigonometry. We need to know how many degrees this angle is right here. So recall that a full revolution is 360 degrees. So we're going to do 360 degrees divided by 5 because that shape has 5 sides. That gives us 72 degrees, but that's this entire angle. And we only want this half of it, so 72 divided by 2 is 36 degrees. This is a 36-degree angle right there. So to find h, when we know this side and this side, we're going to use this side, the tangent ratio. Tangent of 36 degrees is equal to 1 over h. And so h is equal to 1 over tangent of 36 degrees, which is about 1.3764. So this is one triangle. We have 5 of them. There's the area of our base then. So our volume is about 27.5